Here's the Bryant heat pump running. Running in heat mode right now. Obviously, it's January. There's the logo. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. If you guys haven't seen this thing, so I got a defrost cycle of it last month. It's nice and warm. It is from the 52nd week 2021, 14 CO2 ton. You can see it's got a little bit of frost on it. Yeah, this is a little bit frozen. And this is green. The new one has been running. You see, I'm gonna set up for a startup for about in a little bit. Let's try for a startup of it. But yeah, I just thought I'd get a video of this Bryant since I have not got a video of it. Actually, just running in a while. So yeah, there's the Bryant Legacy line heat pump running. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.